picked up some problems from Pathfinder to explain some concepts. Here only. So this is the this axis about which the Earth is rotating, and we have equatorial plane. All of you, that colors I'm giving, able to analyze. There's the equatorial plane, and here is a satellite. And it is having angular velocity. That I'll show it here, or VS, I'll write it. So it is also having angular velocity. So he's telling now a satellite revolves in equatorial plane, west to east direction around the Earth with a period of 8 hours. At instant, it is observed vertically overhead a longitude. I think, okay, longitude, all of you. So you can take some reference points. So this will become like a longitude. After how much time will the satellite again be overhead the same longitude? So for that, what we should do? Calculate the angular velocity of satellite with respect to this one. Before that, let's calculate the like a omega s angular velocity of satellite with respect to Earth equal to this one. Omega s minus omega e. Now, what is omega s? Let me do calculation here. Now, omega s equal to 2 pi by this one, 2 pi by t. Why negative? Because both are in same sense. Both are in same sense. So therefore, this will become 2 pi by time period of satellite 8 hours minus 2 pi by 24. So directly, and what is the relative? 2 pi by TAC will calculate. So everything will get TAC directly in terms of hours. Anybody? How much TAC will be? 12 hours. What do you mean by this? For every 12 hours, what happen again? It will encounter. Will it be geostationary? No. No, sir, what actually you're doing, we are not understanding. Okay, there be a person here with respect to this. Okay, let it be here. First, you will see at t equal to 0. After what time again you will see? After 12 hours. Again, be overhead. You will see exactly the satellite above his head. Again, after what time? Again after 12 hours. So for every 12 hours, this person is going to see what will be is coming. For every 12 hours, satellite will be visible only once. Not like all the time. For 12 hours, it will be visible. No. After how much minimum time will the satellite again be overhead? I think able to understand the English is matters here. Nothing to do with our physics. Once in every 12 hours, you will see. That's all over. Don't say that for 12 hours, you will see. Once for every 12 hours, I'm going to see that one. In a day, how many times? At t equals 0, now I'll see. After 12 hours, then at the end of the day. Okay, fine. This is the meaning. Okay, now what happens if satellite revolves in opposite orbit? Here only, let me finish off. Let me finish off here only. What will be its comment? What will be the comment from the person? For every 12 hours, I'm going to see satellite once. I think that should be the comment. For every 12 hours, I will see satellite For every 12 hours, for time interval of 2 hours. I will see satellite once for every 12 hours. Okay, I agree this one. This is the meaning of that one. Same thing, the same problem. Let me just, what happens if satellite revolves in opposite sense? Okay, no, see that it will be like this. So here, shall we put like this? Actually, I should show omega s. You'll get confused. I'm bringing it here. No, the person is here. What will be now for after what time interval you'll see? Don't think for 12 hours I'll see. No, for once in for every 12 hours I'll see. I think able to understand this. This language is very important here. In a day, I'll just see that now I'm seeing again 12 hours at the end of the day. So in a day, what happens? You can sell better 2 times because the moment you start, you should not count. Again, after what time you'll see that one at 12 hours, then means now say like at 9 o'clock. Okay, you started this at 9. Okay, you make it to start. Then again, when you'll see in the night 9 p.m. Again, tomorrow at 9 a.m. you're going to see this satellite. Only twice, no? Now this will be there's not of a question. Just I am telling that one. If it were in opposite sense. Omega s, it will be 2 pi ts. If you can give the value.
6.
6 hours. Huh? Okay, now what do you mean by this? 6 hours. In a day, how many times? Suppose at 9 we have started. Then again when? 3 o'clock. Okay, again night 9 p.m. Then 3 a.m. Then again tomorrow 9 a.m. So 4 times it will be visible, no? Fine. Means if this is some sort of satellite, so what happened? Which I am spice satellites. This called like a spice satellites. If I want to take photograph, if the time period of flight is 6 hours, if I send it to this one, so what will happen? In a day, only 4 times it can take photograph of certain specific point. Are you getting now? So we had some, what you can say, Pakistan, we went and attacked, no, surgical strike. So what is the difficulty here now? Now, if you want to take photograph, we have spy satellites. So what they do, in a day, only 4 times it's available. Like if you are launched like this, in a day, only twice, it will take photograph and that photograph you have to analyze. So like this, I can monitor Earth. But what is the problem with this such a satellites is like, you don't get for all the time. That too, what happen? It is moving with a certain speed. You can calculate the speed, height, everything. So it will be moving with the speed again. So what is the duration of time or a region it will appear? Because just only 6 after every 6 or for what duration of still means it all depends upon the region. How much of region you want to cover? All that matters here. I'm just putting here now. So now how many times the satellite will be ahead of the person? Like again will be overhead the same longitude means 4 times you can put it. Here 2 times in a day. These are like spy satellites. They'll take a photograph of that region. So it all depends on satellites how it revolves in the sense of the Earth or opposite to sense of the Earth. Then you can take this one. So in a day, so shall I put like this? In a day, this light will be visible for person 4 times. Just visible, that's all. And how much time it is visible? Maybe some fraction of time. Fraction means like 5, 6, 10 minutes, that one. It again depends upon the what region you want to take photograph. I will see selected for every 12 hours in a day, twice. Very good questions in a day, twice. Good questions will be asked. That's why I just took the idea this one. Okay, now we'll come out of this topic. We'll go for next one. Yeah. Carefully read the question. I'm bringing some good very good questions.